Prince Harry found himself once again at the heart of a media storm. This time, it wasn't about his personal life, but a deeply personal battle. He was in a London courtroom challenging the removal of his UK security detail. The prince argued that he was unfairly singled out by the very institution he was born into. Harry's presence sent ripples through the British media. The case touched upon a sensitive nerve, his fractured relationship with the royal family. The prince's decision to step back from royal duties in 2020 had created a chasm. This legal battle seemed to widen that divide. The world watched as Harry, once the carefree prince, navigated this legal maze. His frustration was palpable. He felt misunderstood. His concerns brushed aside. This legal battle was about more than just security. It was about respect and his place in the world. The crux of Harry's argument was simple. His safety was compromised without adequate police protection in the UK. He argued that his unique position, coupled with his family's history, made him a target. The prince's security detail had been withdrawn after he stepped down from royal duties. The decision to remove his security detail felt like a personal blow. It reinforced his belief that he was being pushed away, deemed less worthy of protection. The prince felt a deep sense of injustice. He had served his country, dedicated his life to public service, and yet he was being treated like an outsider. The situation was especially painful considering his mother's tragic fate. Princess Diana's death was a stark reminder of the very real dangers that came with their public profiles. Harry refused to compromise on his family's safety, even if it meant going up against the very institution he was born into. Adding to the drama, Harry's court appearance coincided with a close friend's wedding. Lord Vivian, a childhood friend, was getting married, and Harry was noticeably absent. The prince, despite being in London, chose not to attend. The reason? Lord Vivian himself shared that Harry had a lot on. The missed wedding fueled speculation. Was Harry sending a message? Was this a deliberate act of distancing himself from his former life? The timing couldn't have been more symbolic. While his former circle celebrated, Harry was embroiled in a legal battle, a stark illustration of how much his life had changed. Adding to the intrigue, King Charles was also in London during this time. The possibility of a father-son reunion was quickly dashed by royal commentators. The relationship between them remained strained, the fallout from Harry's departure still casting a long shadow. The events of those few days painted a poignant picture of Prince Harry's reality. He was a man caught between two worlds, his past and present colliding in a very public way. The legal battle, the missed wedding, the lack of reconciliation with his father, all pointed to a deep and perhaps irreparable rift. Harry's decision to fight for his security was about more than just physical safety. It was about respect, recognition, and a sense of belonging. He felt ostracized, forced to defend his right to exist within the very family he was born into. The future remains uncertain for Prince Harry. His legal battle continues, a constant reminder of his fractured relationship with the royal family. As he carves his own path, the question lingers: will the House of Windsor ever truly welcome him back, not as a singled out figure, but as a son and a brother?